Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox GoPro Hero 7 Black right here. Today I got it from Amazon. They got it delivered from me. GoPro 7 Hero Black is an action camera. It was released in the late 2018. It's not that new anymore, but it's the latest version of GoPro. And without further delay, let's do the unboxing. Where's my sweet knife? Okay. GoPro 7 Hero Black. Kait na le kalay do na rito. Lea. Hey, kalay ta kalom pleni an unboxing. Oh. Okay, let's cut it right here. My goodness, so small and so sweet, and it looks so premium. But let's see what's inside here. Oh, by the way, today I did not only order GoPro, but also along with this GoPro, I have ordered one. That is this. I need to cut it off here. Hey, som tel ni mi la wasan pa nga takale niya. GoPro company. Siam tho niya hey tripod atan po man thaya so anin stand atan po naman thaya selfie stick atan po naman thay ani. Some people said below there is a tripod. Let's see. No, I can tripod. Amen. Tia, anen chila. This is the tripod. Fix it. This one, just unboxing. I'm not going to go into details. It's okay. Let's keep it aside. This one now. Let's get back to the GoPro now. First off, let's just remove this one. It's so heavy. Alright, let's start the unboxing right away. To remove the box, you have to pull this tab along the button. Here, like 12 megapixel and 4K, 60 frames per second, 33 feet, that is 10 meters inside the water. So basically this is a waterproof. And live streaming, you can go live streaming Facebook, YouTube, and any other social media. Now let's pull it out. Let's walk on off and GoPro too. Remove it like this. This is the most smallest camera I have ever seen. I want to eat it. Small but very heavy. Let's pull it out some more. Let's open here. From Hongta, GoPro branding, damage replacement. This is the instruction book for removing the outer case from your GoPro. And here that's what to get. Instruction ni chialo a picture at lang tranga entay. Secondly, okay, this is just nothing but the sticker. It gives entitled need help. Okay, need help, maybe you can just go through here. Then the next one is, this is the instruction manual, important product safety instruction. Hey, product chungchang safety information here na contain any. All right, let's keep on going. All right, here you can see two adhesive. One is in a flat surface. Okay, one is curved, as you can see here. So these two can be used in anywhere. Okay, like in your vehicle, and in your helmet you can mount it anywhere you can think of. All right, this would be very useful, but it's not recommended you mount it in a wet surface. Til nong amo til huna mo ti thai don lo ni mo ma se ikara te mo I vehicle bike te mo helmet te mo mount ni no tang kai don khop me. The next one, you have USB charging cable. This USB is Type-C cable and here Type-C cable, and then this is lastly, oh my goodness, so small. Hey, battery any battery mo. It gives only one battery along with this GoPro. So if you're going to go for a trip, you probably need at least 3 or 4 battery backup. Battery pakatian 45 minutes ani lopon naka khatvel so wadai an tia chu wangin GoPro 11 it's on battery dang backup nan 11 angai don chu. Then here is the GoPro itself, so small, and oh my goodness, wanting to buy this GoPro from long back. Finally, it's in my hand now. Okay, first thing that you need to do is you are going to screw this out. It's just a plastic, but a very good one. Plastic, but here inside is of course aluminum. Just remove it. And the next thing is, okay, even though you remove this, it just didn't come out yet. So what you need to do is you're going to press this one. Okay, alright, I remove this. This is back side of the screen, and this screen is a touch screen, and the next, this one is front screen, which is bigger. This is also touch screen. Panin screen oma back left front. Panin touch screen beben. Even the back one, touch any. Okay. And then I don't know what is this about. Okay, how do we remove this one? Plastic doom stand he can remove I can lock from this white box. Okay, just plug it out like this, and you're going to press this too and then push it to the front. Yes. I got it. Doesn't break. There we go. Finished. Okay, let's try to fix it this now. Fixing it. Now you can do like this, and do selfie like that, and straight. So you hold. So with this, your arms also doesn't have to show when you take a selfie. You go around like this. Kazong Kani unbox too. That's all for today. If you guys like my unbox videos, please give a thumbs up and like and share it, comment below. Thank you for watching my video, guys. The video milo and sakavain kaloma. Minla subscribe saklon it's milo subscribe sakve ngay don niya oh. Bye bye. Ciao.
He behind the scenes soon yeah. Amazon. Unboxing. Why is the book?
Yeah. Keep on going. Why? No, this one. No,
I can go to heaven and hell and go with the GoPro, even underwater. It's gonna be fun. Vợ làm tôi sẽ tội là bé. Đừng cần nói. Đi thấy mò. Vợ xin là.
Hey, lapse 4K.
Yeah.
Damn.